And guys, we are about to look at a pre-owned unit. It is in great condition and the price is great as well. So if you're looking for something smaller, a coach with no bunk, something that you can take out, get on the road and go, this is it. So if you're looking to, save or anything and you need something right away, again, this is it. So if you want any information, just make sure that you contact me. Of course, my information is below. So let's go from the outside. It is a 2020 No Boundaries. The model number is NB19.5. It's got a slide right there. It's got your awning as well. But let's take a look inside. Again, if you're looking for something just smaller but does the job, this is a nice unit. Okay, so you walk in, you do have your bedroom right here. You've got your dinette, which can be put down into a bed, and these actually move. There's storage underneath as well, but they do move out of the way, so you don't have to have this right here, which is really nice. So if you're just needing the couch area, then you can put this up and just relax, and your entertainment's over there. You've got a closet or storage area right here. And you've got your 2-burner Dometic, and then we've got, it looks like a convection oven, and a nice big sink. You've got plenty of storage on top and bottom, and a nice big fridge here. So plenty of space in there to put all your goods. And then right here in the back we do have our bathroom, and it is quite big. Yeah, so you guys let me know. It's a smaller unit. The price is great. It looks great. So especially for it being a 2020, it just looks fantastic. But let me know what you think. And if you are looking for something and want more information, call, text, email, come see me. But until next time.